everybody, welcome back. Cricket here with another Plan With Me, and this is in my PP weeks using this gorgeous kit from Pink Polka Dot Lily. And when I say gorgeous, I mean gorgeous. Look at this kit. It is done in the shattered glass foil, and there's like 35 different color foils you get to choose from that makes it all your own. But look, it says make today beautiful. Not beautiful, look at there. Full boxes, sidebar, 3-bow checklist, your bottom washi, days of the week, washi strips here, cleaning, dinners next week, this week, habit trackers, quarter boxes, round boxes, and scallop. So this is for my wellness planner, and I think I'm going to incorporate just a little bit of green, since there is a little bit of green in here. This is from So Cute Planner, and it does have like the holographic silver foil, so I thought those two would go together. And then I'm going to incorporate a little bit of Pink Polka Dot Lily's foil sampler, because I need like a couple extra bow checklists, so I thought that would be good too. So let's get started. Yeah, this is for my wellness planner, and it's been a hot minute since I planned in it. I think it was like the July 4th week, and shame on me, right? Though I have been sticking to my diet, I did cheat on July 4th, and then I cheated a little bit for my birthday, but other than that, so far so good. I've been behaving myself, so I've been trying anyway, and feel so much better. I'm not even gonna lie, I do. I really feel a whole lot better eating right. I don't know why I do that to myself, where I don't eat right and then I feel terrible, but we do that. That's, or at least I do. I shouldn't say we, but I do. Let's get this foil on here straight. This foil is beautiful. This one on there, and then we will get into the meat of it. Maybe. There we go. All right. Was gonna put some down here, but every time I put something down there, I come to realize that I really didn't need to, because I ended up covering it up anyway. I went ahead and used Pink Polka Dot Lily date dots. Aren't these gorgeous, y'all? But I wanted to save a little bit of time, so yeah, no, just saying. Let's put this one right here. This kit is absolutely beautiful. The foiling, and she's in an upcoming Planner Mayhem sale, so y'all might want to check her out. She's going to have some awesome tiered freebies, and some beautiful kits and stickers, so definitely want to check her out. Let's get this last one on there real quickly. Okay, so pretty. Look at that, y'all. Oh, gorgeous. Okay, and then let's see. Of course, we do sidebar. Let me go ahead and do that. I'm gonna go ahead and bring it all the way down. This one right here, and then that one up as my quote box right there. Beautiful. Okay, and then let's see. I am going to put this right here at the top of it, and it is just Weight Watcher points for me to be able to keep track of that. And those are from Cheerful Planner Girl. Heavy coat for her. Okay, so let's go ahead and use these. I'm actually going to put this one right here. This will help me keep track of my food. Let's put this one. Right there. This beautiful one down here. That one. And I use the last one of this one. Gorgeous. So pretty. Okay, and let's see. I am going to put down this week up here at the top of this one. Right here. Okay, and then we can put our pretties down. She did such a beautiful job on this kit, y'all. Love it. Let's see. I am going to raise this up just a little bit right here. See how they pull up so nicely. There we go. That one there. And this one here. And then I can put this weekend banner. This is from Crafty Tatted Mama. I can just put that one right here. Actually, I think I am going to put the green down, even though I put a picture right there. It's all good. I might still cover it up, don't know yet, but this is pretty much just for like my Weight Watchers. I'm not even really putting my moods or anything in there, just like keeping track of my food and my points, and maybe like my weight and stuff like that, but like my weigh-in days, but that's about it. perfect. Okay, and then I can do my weather. I'm going to do that from Pink Polka Dot Lily. And I am going to do my weigh-in, and these are from Creative Cavern Studio, and I will be weighing in on Friday, so let's use one of those right here. And let's use this baby soft pink one. Let's put it right here. Okay, perfect. I'm going to put that right there. There. Don't know if we really need it right there and there, but I can put it right there. So pretty. Okay, and then I know that it is going to be cloudy here. Then I think rain here and here, and then cloudy here and here. And those are from Pink Polka Dot Lily. And then I think I'm just going to put in these just to be on the safe side in case I need them for anything. They're too beautiful not to use. Right there. Let's see. That one right there, but you know what, I do think I am going to use this right here, and it'll just add on to right next door to it for my medicine. I do need to keep track of that, so we will do that. And then I think I can use this one right here as well. Do know that this will be family time, so I can write that right there. So that will be nice to have a little bit of family time. Let's put this right here. Just separate it. Right there, and just so we use it all up. There. I mean, bling is everything, y'all. To me it is anyway. I'm gonna use this little day off. I can put that right here because I am off on Friday. Right there. Use the little coffee cup for Coffee Monday. I love her little foil samplers. She gives you so much in these. Love, love, love them. And I think that's going to be it, guys. So just sweet and simple and to the point. but wanted to show off this beautiful, gorgeous kit. And I'm absolutely in love with it, and it makes me want to write in it, so that's what it's all about. All right, y'all, I hope y'all have an awesome, blessed week. Stay safe, stay strong, stay healthy, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell if you haven't already, and I hope to see you back here real soon. I'm going to put my little holder right there, and, well, and I'm all cockeyed there. There we go. And I will see you back here real soon. Okay, don't forget to go check her out on the Planner Mayhem sale. It's coming up next week, the 17th, I believe. So, talk with you later. Bye-bye.